I really wanted to make homemade bread for my family. I feel like you cannot beat the quality. The smell is amazing, and I mean, price, it is so much cheaper making your own homemade bread. I mean, you go to the store, bread is so expensive and there's like nothing to the store stuff. So, but that being said, with Littles, I really need to find something that was sustainable, because I mean, as much as I would like to make artisan bread and make everything by hand, with Littles right now, it is just not practical if I want to do this every day. So one of the ways to make it easy and sustainable is I just do one recipe basically. Like I do this recipe for bread, buns, hamburger buns, hot dog buns, everything. I have a couple other ones, like one for cinnamon buns, one for biscuits, one for pizza crust. But other than that, this is the recipe. So it makes it really, really easy. The other thing I realized is that if I was gonna make it, I had to have it so easy. So I put all the dry ingredients from my bread in glass jars on my countertop. They are there all the time. So I literally just, like, it is seconds to make my bread. It's all there. I have my recipe memorized and my dry ingredients are right there. So it takes like seconds. The other thing is that then we use a bread machine, because again, it's all about sustainability. And a bread machine might not be like perfect. It might not be the ideal, but it gets the job done. We love our bread machine. I can put in there, like if I want to do bread and just put it in there, set it and forget it. I have fresh bread. If I want to do buns, put the dough in there and just grab it out, make my buns quick, and we're good to go. It works amazing. So let's get to it and have some fun making some bread. So first I'm gonna grab my bread machine. I have 1 1/3 cup of water in my measuring jar. So there's only 2 ingredients that I have to get out other than my dry ingredients. I do 2 tablespoons of butter, and if you watch some of my other stuff, you know I don't really measure very accurately often. I'm okay with just kind of eyeballing it. So 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we've got 3 cups of flour. And I want to do a little bit generous cups. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. I do 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. We do 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. So I just have a teaspoon in here. So I just, again, kind of eyeball 1 1/4. Said, if you want to measure exactly, you can measure exactly. I've been doing this for years and it works fine for me. But if you're somebody who needs to measure it out, measure it out. Okay, and then we got 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. So this is actually a 3/4 teaspoon. And so if I just do 3 of these, I know I'm at 2 1/4, because I want to be accurate with my yeast, obviously. That's the main one that I worry about. Okay, so that's done. And then I just put it in my bread maker. I'm going to set it on dough, and in 2 hours it will beep and my dough will be ready. If I wanted to make it into bread, it will take more like 3 hours to cook it and do the whole thing. So easy peasy, and there's no reason why, like, I mean, I can't tell you how much, as far as like fresh homemade bread with things, how much it changes your meal. It's amazing. Definitely give this a shot. Let me know what you think. And if you honestly, like, if you have a bread recipe that you love and is amazing, share it with me and I'd love to see it.